Good evening! So in today's episode of Crimson Spends Way Too Much Money on Rubik's Cubes, we have the GAN 356i version 2, or at least I hope it's the version 2. There's nothing on this box that says it's the version 2. So let's just jump right into it, you know? Look, it's the Apple Rubik's Cube. Actually, no, it doesn't look like Apple. A black GAN bag, wow. USB A or B? Damn, these are some big springs. And then the actual cube. Why is it wet? Why? Oh my god, it's actually like soaked. Can you see that? Okay. Let's do first turns. Okay. What? It's lit up inside. It lights up? What the hell? Okay. So I've got to charge it for 2 hours before I use it. So let's do that. I will see you in 2 hours, I guess. Alright, so it's been like an hour instead of 2 hours because there's a light in here, and while it was charging, the light was flashing, and the light stopped, so I assume it's done charging. Yeah, so you might have noticed the video quality gets significantly worse because, as you can see, my phone is here, and I normally record videos on my phone, but I need to connect the cube to my phone to use it, so I'm using a GoPro to record. What the f- Right, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna open the CubeStation app now. CubeStation would like to send you notifications, whatever. CubeStation would like to use Bluetooth, and then some Chinese. Okay. Shake to activate the cube. Oh, it's connected. Wow. And that is not what my cube looks like right now. Oh wait, I should probably screen record on my phone. Can I like recalibrate this? Okay, alright, good. Nice. So that's pretty cool actually. Right, so I logged in. Now let's try personal training. U2DLFLD. That is really cool. Oh wait, I need to inspect now. Okay. Oh, I just start solving, don't I? Makes sense. Oh dear God almighty. Oh no. Oof. Yeah, that's not good. How do I delete a time? I don't want to count that. That was just a warm-up, you know? Alright, well, let's look at this. So, the solve took 67 moves, 3.5 TPS, 18 rotations. That doesn't sound right. Oh, probably because I did M moves. It doesn't know the difference between an M move and a rotation. And fluency 68. I don't know what that means. Hold on, I'm getting text messages. I am just bewildered by the cube moving around when I'm holding it. I was debating getting the 356i Play, but I'm glad I got this one. Even though I am now poor. And speaking of me being poor now, if you want to help me be able to pay for food, I'm starting an OnlyFans. No, I got this because it was on sale. It was only $60. Wow! Alright, let's do another solve. Alright, it's weird how the inspection time just immediately starts. There we go. Finally a good solve. How many moves is that? Okay, so the top... Oh, that's cool. The top one is average and your bottom is your recent solves. Wait, can I see my list of solves? What? Hello? What? Oh, okay. Okay, that solve was much faster, much fewer rotations, and much better overall. Alright. I didn't need the cube to tell you that, but, you know. Okay, that wasn't too great. Fluency 10! Oh, okay, it updated. 5 TPS, 6 rotations, and 70 moves, and 80 fluency. That's pretty consistent, actually. Okay, another 14. I am not doing well today. Actually, I haven't warmed up at all. That's my excuse. I normally average 12, I promise. Okay, one more fluency point for that one. Oh, wow. I thought it would like only know like full rotations, but like it actually knows like when I turn a piece like a little bit. Also, the cube performs like pretty decently. Yeah, let's check corner cutting. Okay. Okay, so the corner cutting is actually on par with other GAN cubes. Maybe not the reverse corner cutting. Alright, that's cool. Okay, so yeah, there's a little bit of latency between when you make a move and when it appears, but that's alright. Alright, so it's a 1328, average of 5, and my average fluency is 79, my average move count is 69, nice. My average TPS is 5, is that a lot? I don't know. Let's try some algorithm training. Let's practice some PLL, U-perm. That's cool! Yes, this is exactly what I need. Okay, can I do another algorithm, please? Okay. What? Excuse me? Huh? Okay, well something's wrong here. Okay, so the algorithm trainer isn't that great. Yeah, I think it's because, like some algs don't affect the centerpiece, but the app doesn't know that because it only tracks the centerpieces. Why did my computer just turn on? I swear to God, my house is haunted. Let's try T-perm. I've always wanted to know how fast my T-perm is. What? Oh, the cube's upside down. What else is there? What is this? I have a message. Okay. I guess I don't have a message. Let's try doing some online battles. Solve the cube once in 1 minute in standard timing to unlock 1v1 battle and virtual battle stations. But I solved the cube in 1 minute. What more do you want from me? Okay, I solved the cube once in 1 minute. Can I do a battle now? Oh, I can. Wow, it's just making me watch ads for GAN cubes. Nice. Oh, shit. Okay, okay, oh boy, the nerves. Ooh! Okay, that was good. Sure, I'll wait until he solves it. Is this dude using the beginner algorithm? Oh no. Oh no, I feel bad now. Why did it match me with someone using the beginner's method? I thought the solve I was meant to do was for like placement. What the hell? He's taken over a minute. Oh god, he's not even sub 1. 1.3 TPS. God, he's gonna see me like solving it in 10 seconds and he's gonna be like, oh no, I'm not good enough. I hope this isn't his first time doing this. Oh my god, did he do the wrong U-perm or something? There we go. Great. Oh dear Lord God. Alright, let's try another one. Hopefully this time it's not somebody's first time. Oh, something about Dana Yee.
Is GAN releasing a new error in 2020? Yes. Exhibit A.
Oh god, my hands are shaking so bad. Is it another person using the beginner method? Oh my god, what is this? Okay, we're not gonna wait for that. My results are 95% better. God, this is so sad. What? Did I just get a 9? Oh my god, is it someone else doing the beginner's method? Jesus Christ. Hey mom, I won! I guess there are more people. I guess there are more people out there more novice than I. Wow, great. Wow. Oh great, I can't believe I just got a 9. What else is there? What is virtual battle? Enjoy speed cubing. You're using a virtual cube. I am. Excuse me, bitch. Oh, my SD card is full. What? No, 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 no. Oh no. I am panicking so much. What the f did I just click on? What the hell is happening? Oh my god, the other guy already finished. Oh no, this is not good. Oh my god, I hate this. Why does this exist? Are you R prime U prime? Are you R prime U prime? Wait, no. U F no F U F prime. I hate this. I hate this so much. Oh god, no, f it. I'm doing beginner. I'm doing 2-look PLL. Okay, alright. 3-look PLL. Fucking G-perm, alright. Fine, I'll do 2-look PLL. This is awful. Wait, what? Is he not done solving yet? What the hell? I did 166 moves. How he looks done. Oh wait, maybe it doesn't let you see, so you can't copy them. I'm so confused, dude. No, I'm not gonna wait. This is the worst shit I have ever. My SD card on my GoPro ran out, so I'm going to. What the fuck? Okay. Alright, so it's been a few days since I recorded all that, and I was just editing it, and I realized that I didn't record an ending, and the footage just ends there abruptly with my camera dying. So overall, I really like this cube as a cube and also just a piece of technology as well. Like, it's super cool to see all your stats and like get real-time feedback of like your TPS and your fluency and things like that. But I would not say that this is worth the $70 or $80 price tag that it normally has, but I got it for $60 because it was on sale, and I think that's reasonable. That's like the price of a video game, so yeah. But earlier in the video, I said I was glad that I got the 356i and not the Play model, because the Play model doesn't have a gyroscope, so when I move the cube in my hands like this, the Play model would not show on my phone. It would just stay static, but it would still like track turns, and that is pretty cool, but I don't think it's worth the price difference between the Play and the I, which I don't know how much of a price difference that is. If I remember correctly, it's a pretty significant price difference, so I would personally go for the Play unless this is on sale for $60. Now, the reason why I don't think the gyroscope is that important is because it doesn't really work that well. So you can sort of calibrate the gyroscope like this, like only on the, is that the y-axis? Yeah, I guess the y-axis, but you can't do it on the x-axis. And that is a problem because if you'll notice, if I put the cube down flat on the table like this, on the app, it shows that it's at a weird angle. I'm pretty sure this table is level, but the gyroscope thinks it's at an angle. So I don't know what's up with that. I normally hold the cubes like slightly at an angle like this when I'm solving, and like if you look on the app, it actually looks like I'm just completely facing the white side now when that is my U face. So whenever I'm doing solves, any U moves I do show up as F, and every F move I do shows up as D. And also, the gyroscope sort of makes the rotation statistic useless, because whenever I do an algorithm with M moves, like a U-perm like that, it sees it as a whole bunch of rotations. So I'll get solves that have like 18 rotations in them. Wow, that gyroscope is really messed up now. Also, it's moving on the app, but it's completely stationary on the table. God, I rest my case. Get the Play version because the gyroscope is, it's sort of a gimmick compared to the rest of the cube. But what isn't a gimmick is the actual solving thing. So I really like the statistics and live feedback it gives you on your solves. So I had no idea what my TPS was. I'm not gonna break down my solves and like do the math to figure out how much TPS I'm doing. I can't do math, but this app does it for me. It's telling me that that solve was 66 moves, my TPS was 5.1, I had 9 rotations, which is probably not true, but like I said, that's super broken, and my fluency was 80. And the fluency number I really like because it's based on how many pauses you have in your solve. Fewer pauses means a higher fluency number, and generally, you'll hear a lot of people say this, reducing the number of pauses in your solves is more important than turning faster. So yeah, the fluency number is pretty cool. But another thing that I have had issues with is the matchmaking. So the 1v1 battle is essentially useless for me because as you can see on the homepage, it says I've done 100 battles and my win rate is 26%. So I've won 26 battles, and the reason for that is not just because I suck. Well, it's not just because I suck. That's part of it, but like, you know. Yeah, it's because it's matching me up with people that average like sub 10. And as you can see here, my average is 13 because when I was doing this, I was like angry because I kept losing. So I wasn't doing as well as usual. I normally average 12, but it's matching me up with like sub 10 people. So I just could not win any matches. So it just ended up not being fun for me. And I just stopped doing the 1v1 battles online. So I don't know why the matchmaking is so bad, but hopefully they fix that eventually. Or maybe there just aren't enough people in my skill group who have this cube. I don't know. But yeah, another thing that's good about this cube is algorithm training. Now, not the algorithm training in the app. That sucks. It's completely broken, but you can connect this cube to your computer and use it with CS timer, and that is really cool. And you can actually use that. Like you can sort of do, you can tell it you're doing a hand scramble, and then you can just do like a T-perm, and then say that's scrambled, and then solve it. And then you can like drill algorithms like that, and it's super useful. And it's also cool for just doing regular solves in CS Timer because you basically have like a hands-free system. Like you don't have to touch your keyboard or mouse when you're doing it. You can just sit back in your chair, read the scramble it, then immediately start solving and then scramble again, and you know, lazy method cubing. So all in all, I feel like they have a lot of room to improve, but right now I really like it, and I'm gonna say I recommend it. Yeah, overall it's just a really cool piece of tech, and it's a really nice tool for learning more about the way you solve a cube and figuring out what you need to work on and stuff. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll respond to pretty much any question anyone has. And check out my music channel, and yeah, see ya.